Remember to hydrate. This is property of Empower by Rootswork and Channel and Rootswork Construction. Remember to hydrate. So right now we're cutting blocking. We ran out of 2x4s we got stacked up. So now we're cutting in windows. We got a stud here and we're getting ready to do this one right over here. They're topping off and closing off this one from there. Rough this one in. I already cut my header and my sill, so now I gotta cut out the studs and rough in the framing and get our squared in and framed in. I got the sill plate cut out. Now I'm getting ready to cut for the header and make another move. I already have the 31 down there somewhere. I think it's right under the ladder, the little short ladder. 31 and a quarter. Yeah. His first day, and he's on the top plate. That's impressive. Hey guys, when you're working and if you get sick, man, don't show up, please. Well, just now we just had one of our staff that was maybe infected with some bacteria or virus or something. Well, he wasn't being honest or genuine or sincere about it, but I wiped down everything with vinegar. We wash our hands and clean our hands with vinegar. It's another thing, like, you know, be mindful, because yes, cash is necessary and cash is key for survival, but you don't want to infect everybody. So just be mindful and respectful of others. We're all trying to make it. Getting her done. And like I said, he jumped up there second time. Confident youth. Just give you guys a grand tour of what's happening. We're getting ready to install the first two for this back wall. This is a breakfast burrito. I got it laced with eggs, ham, cabbage, and onion sauce. No, come in. Then set it down and then see how. I prefer we have both of them back there than put one and then go get the next one. Just lean it forward. Lean it forward. It's in. The first sheet of the day. Second sheet got put up. Today we're framing out for the windows and stuff so that we can continue skinning. So we're gonna put a window here and another window here, 2 windows, and then we gotta chat with the owner and figure out where we're gonna put the vent fans. I gotta install and prep for 4 vent fans. This is our first rip. The first full length I officially got installed. The little Colancho garden and the Chanca Pedra and aloe vera. Alright, the thing is, do we rip and put up the other little section, or we stop and continue with some of the framing? Because we got to frame out for 2 windows over there, and then we got to do some vent windows. Morning, Sam.
How are you?